This is Lesson 1, Question 6 from the Scholarly Unicorns SAT Math Advanced Guide. One end of an elastic band is taped to the bottom of a ceiling fan. When an object of mass m kilograms is attached to the other end of the elastic band, the band stretches to a length of L centimeters as shown in the equation above. What is m when L equals 13? The first thing to realize about this question is that there are a lot of words in this question which we don't actually really need to solve the problem. In fact, we only really need the last sentence. So this question could just as well have said, what is m when L equals 13? In other words, we just want to replace L by 13 in the given equation. So we have 13 equals 11 plus 1.6 m. Okay, let's solve this equation by first subtracting 11 from each side. And we get 2 equals 1.6 m. And I'll go ahead and divide each side of this equation by 1.6. Now, if we were allowed to use a calculator for this question, I would simply put 2 divided by 1.6 into the calculator. But let's assume that we're not allowed to use a calculator. In this case, I'm going to change the decimal 1.6 to a whole number by moving the decimal point one place to the right. And of course, that's not legal unless I do the same thing in the numerator of the fraction. So I'm going to move the hidden decimal point after the 2 one place to the right, throwing in an extra 0. So we get the fraction 20 over 16. And I'm going to go ahead and finish this up by reducing that to the fraction 5 over 4. I did that by dividing each of 20 and 16 by 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5, and 16 divided by 4 is 4, giving us a final answer of 5/4.